This is a bit busy day. Nag-prepare po ako ng soup. And now for marinating the baked chicken. At dito po sila magkakaroon ng family dinner before the Chinese New Year. Kaya medyo marami-rami ang ating lulutuin. Ito ang baked chicken. At yung soup almost ready na po. I just add some salt to taste. At ito ang lalagay na siding sa ating baked chicken. Strips of potatoes. And here's now our sotanghon with shrimp. Our baked chicken, beef steak, vegetable broccoli, and our steamed fish, and I enjoy.